to the world of innovation. I want to show you how BuildSafe is utilizing reality capture technology in the manufacturing and industrial sectors. My name is Uyomi Eya. Reality capture is the process of capturing the three-dimensional image of any object, processing the data into a 3D digital replica, referred to as the point cloud. Typically, industries are associated with complex processes involving pipe systems, cables, and support structures. During operation, those systems get modified due to maintenance or improvement requirements. These changes will not reflect on the construction drawings. This is where reality capture becomes inevitable. From the point cloud, the technical team will have a clear understanding of every component of the facility. We have saved our customers thousands of dollars in expatriate travels. With the point cloud, you can produce a digital twin of any facility. You can assess the impact of any modification or expansion proposal. You will be able to identify clashes and resolve them during the design stage. The beauty is that reality capture does not interfere with operations. It does not expose the operator to any risk of work at height because you do not need to climb. It can pick objects at a height of over 100 meters. Depending on the type of equipment deployed. The turnaround maintenance of the refineries has been simplified by reality capture technology. Virtual reality complements reality capture. With virtual reality headgear, BuildSafe Nigeria Limited conducts virtual walkthroughs for customers. This immersive experience is what has set BuildSafe apart from other reality capture service providers. I am sure that you will be interested in a live demonstration. Please contact us for a free demo in your facility.